This is my 132 scale F-15E fighter bomber, which I've done in the RAF Lakenheath colours and insignias. The manual does say to do dark ghost grey, so I've done what I think is right. It's not complete yet, I've got to put the canopy and everything else on. So far so good. It is true what other modelers say. You do need to put down a decent gloss coat for your decals to adhere to, otherwise they won't stick properly. Now, a bit of artistic license is I did have a few problems with the decals, so I've made this one Chief, but the tail numbers are again artistic license because they may be incorrect, but it's a bit of a homage to the United States Air Force in England. I have got a second one of these, but that wasn't a very good build. Even though the plane went together lovely, my problem was the canopy was frosted. However, I have learned a few tricks, like soaking the canopy in floor cleaner like Pledge or Future. So I will do the final reveal as soon as it's complete.